Freedom Motors' exclusive Superwide Toyota Sienna rear entry conversion has the widest ramp in the industry at 48 inches. It's ADA compliant and is the perfect fit for non-emergency medical transportation businesses looking to accommodate 1 or 2 bariatric wheelchairs. The conversion is compatible with our stretcher application, making it extremely versatile while providing the lowest operating cost in the market today. Our lightweight, aircraft-grade aluminum, spring-assisted ramp makes it effortless to pull up and to pull down. To lock the ramp in place, give it a push in the upright position and hear it lock. To release, simply pull on the neon cord underneath. We do a nice powder coat finish on all of our ramps, which gives it a non-skid surface and protects against corrosion. Coming inside the van, we do a commercial grade flooring on the lowered floor, which is very easy to maintain and will withstand the wear and tear of a wheelchair constantly coming in and out of the vehicle.
Standard with the Superwide conversion, we offer a flip and fold bench seat. This flexible seating option allows you to flip the seats up toward the side doors so you can transport 2 wheelchairs at a time. Fold the seats down to create a bench seat so you can carry 3 ambulatory passengers in the mid-row. With the mid-row bench seat folded down, you still have plenty of space to transport 1 bariatric wheelchair, making it the most functional and valuable conversion options in the U.S. Please contact us for any additional information, and thank you for watching.